How to change wallpaper for individual chats on WhatsApp. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp, click on the chat you want to change wallpaper of. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three dots located at top right. Then click on chat theme. You will find all these wallpaper. As you can see, you can simply scroll to the left to find the one you prefer. After you've chose, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Then click on tick mark at the top right corner of your screen and you're good to go. As you can see, chat wallpaper has been changed. This is how to change wallpaper for individual chats on WhatsApp. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.